Well, we got the axle out here on Steve 72. Yeah, that would be definitely part of our problem. Look at that. All right. Wow. Holy shit. Yeah. Well, I'm glad it had the bolt-in bearing retainer. Because this thing would have went around a corner and Axel would have been like, "You picked a fun time to leave me loose, Will." Little Darrell Waltrip reference there. Poor baby. All right, we'll get a bearing ordered up. Away we go. Oh yeah, we don't need no slide hammer.
Yeah.
We got 2 hillbillies and a brake drum. Tell you what. All right. Wes has the backing plate off. The retainer. It's loose. It's undone. Of course, use the drum as a slide hammer because you don't need no slide hammer. Facts. Oh, Wes got that out lickety split, and even though this side wasn't moving,
it was gone.
Wow, holy shit. Done. Done. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Pull it all the way off. Go back. It's a Timken. Pull the drum off first.
Yeah.
Wow. Well. Jesus.
Glad I told you to check this side.
Yeah, I'm glad you said, hey, let's do the other side. You know what? Good thing we did.
Hold it real quick.
You got it. You got it. What's up?
It's all wet. Or does that just break this?
From here, because everything else here is dry. Oh my god. Axle's out.
Splines look good.
Oh yeah, that looks all good. Let me turn the light on. There we go.
Yeah, this looks good.
That bearing is... Wow. Yeah. Ouch. Glad we caught that before something
seriously
bad happened.